Hello, welcome to World History Dual Enrollment and Honors. My name is Melissa Matthews, and I look forward to working with your students this year. World history is the story of all of us as God's children. I know many students are anxious as they make the transition to more advanced high school level work. I want to reassure everyone that I am in the trenches with the students as they go through this process. This course is offered as both dual enrollment and as honors. Please see the school handbook for more information on dual enrollment requirements and deadlines. Due to the advanced nature of the course, there will be writing requirements that will need to be fulfilled throughout the year based on the historical thinking skills we are developing. World History is a challenging course that is structured around the investigation of big themes from the medieval period through the 1990s. Besides covering the relevant historical facts from these eras and linking these facts to the analysis of the big ideas, the course requires that you become proficient in several disciplinary skills: analyzing evidence using primary and secondary sources, historical thinking skills and critical thinking using contextualization, comparison, causation, and continuity and change over time, and developing arguments, writing a claim and supporting a claim with evidence. There will be in-class lectures and discussions, as well as the occasional portions of the lectures that will be done via flipped classroom. I have recorded audio lectures for all of the materials, so students may view them outside of class for reviewing before a test, or if they are absent as well. The grading for the course is broken down in the following ways. Assignments, which means classwork, discussion boards on Canvas, and unit homework, are all worth 20%. The unit homework is given at the beginning of each unit and due near the end of the unit. Students will need to use time management to make sure they do not procrastinate and that they do some each day, especially when given time in class. Quizzes are worth 10%. This is mostly the terms quizzes. Unit tests and major assignments are worth 55%. Writing skills are incorporated on these assessments. And the semester exam for each semester is worth 15%. In regards to the writing, especially when it comes to out-of-class writing, the use of AI in any way that violates the student handbook policy on AI will result in a 0 for that assignment. There will be an official Social Studies Department document posted on my Canvas homepage as well. More specific information can be found on the syllabus. Go to Canvas and download the syllabus off of the homepage for our course. And please have your student print out the document to keep in their folder. Please read through this document with your student and send in the signature page to class by Monday of week 3 of classes. This will be worth a 10-point homework grade for them as well. Thank you, and God's blessings to all of you.